Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. Section 266 of BNSS primarily deals with the accused's bail rights, right to silence, right to evidence submission, or right to an attorney. The correct answer is option C, right to evidence submission. Recently, the Rajasthan High Court in Narendra Kumar Soni versus State of Rajasthan case has held that the right of an accused to a free and fair trial under Article 21 in seeking call tower location details under Section 91 of the CRPC would prevail over the right to privacy of the police officials. Under Section 266 of the BNSS, the accused shall be called upon to enter upon his defense and produce his evidence. Next. At what level are commercial courts established under the Commercial Courts Act 2015? State level, district level, national level, or village level? The correct answer is option B, district level. Recently, in the Synergies Casting Limited versus National Research Development Cooperation and Another's case, the Delhi High Court clarified that orders neither setting aside nor refusing to set aside an arbitral award are not appealable under Section 37 1C of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. The Commercial Courts Act 2015 establishes commercial courts at the district level with specialized jurisdiction over commercial matters. Next. Under the BNS, which groups are specifically protected by Section 74? Government officials, women and children, senior citizens, or public servants? The correct answer is option B, women and children. Chapter 5 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 lays down offences against women and children. Section 74 of BNS provides for the offence of assault or criminal force to women with intent to outrage her modesty. Next. What is the purpose of Section 34 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996? To enforce arbitral awards, to initiate arbitration proceedings, to appoint arbitrators, or to provide recourse against an arbitral award. The correct answer is option D, to provide recourse against an arbitral award. Section 34 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act provides that recourse against an arbitral award can only be made through an application for setting aside the award under subsections 2 and 3. The grounds for setting aside an arbitral award by the court are dividing into two categories, where the party making application furnishes proof or where the court itself finds certain issues. Next. Part 2 of the Limitation Act 1963 deals with limitation of suits, appeals, applications, or all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Part 2 of the Limitation Act 1963 deals with limitation of suits, appeals, and applications. Now it's time for the practice question. Under Order 32, Rule 10 of the Code of Civil Procedure, on the death of next friend, the suit shall be dismissed, stayed, rejected, or dismissed or rejected. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.